Welcome back to Cook, Hike, Repeat. If you're like me, you're always trying to sneak more healthy foods into your own diet and your kids' diets. One trick I rely on is using roasted flaxseed meal. Flax seeds are highly nutritious, they're loaded with fiber, protein, and omega-3s. In this video, I'll show you some easy ways to work flaxseed into our daily diet. Toast flax seeds in a dry skillet over medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes, stirring constantly. They'll turn a shade darker and give off a nutty aroma as they roast. Roasting transforms their earthy, crunchy flavor into a mild, pleasant nuttiness that blends seamlessly into recipes. Let the seeds cool completely, then grind them to a fine meal in your coffee grinder. Store the flax meal in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Now you have a handy roasted flaxseed meal to stir into baked goods, yogurt, oatmeal, and other kid-friendly foods without changing the flavors. Feel free to swap out up to half the flour in recipes like banana bread for flax meal. I used it in the banana bread recipe from allrecipes.com. So moist and tasty, kids approved. Add a tablespoon or 2 to smoothies or morning oats for added nutrition. My personal favorite way to enjoy it is sprinkled on yogurt. So easy, nutritious, and I love the texture and wholesome feeling. Keep flax meal on hand to effortlessly boost nutrition for your family. Let me know in the comments below how you like to use flaxseed meal in your cooking. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you next time with more recipes and tips.